Duh, it's Gemini. Get hip. King. What you doing? Making plans. What they doing? Looking at you. Niggas' heads is gas, but they ain't famous, neither. That's cool. I'ma smoke this in the cut with India. She match fool. Gotta take it back to the gas, too impactful. What you doing? Making plans. What they doing? Looking at you. Niggas' heads is gas, but they ain't famous, neither. That's cool. I'ma smoke sativa with Selena in the back room. She got ass and tattoos. Her last Dubai and gas too. I'm all about peace. That's why I got a piece. So if you fuck with me, my niggas will act like Italians capiche. They be like, fool, why you wildin' on beats? Cause they still see me young as a child in the streets. Man, I ain't been a child since they counted on me. The world on my shoulders and piling to keep. They say slow it down. Dumb off the come off the run up the sum up the go make a wonder. Start rapping like lightning and just use the thunder. The bass that you chase, that does not sound 100. How bad do you want it? Your turn to jump in or crawling or something. I know you got gumption. All I know is if you don't take a shot, I'ma take a spot. I'm already ahead, but a vacant lot is the making of. A monopoly, I'm anomaly, got the cadence up. Nothing commonly, maybe common, but I'm taking the honesty and making it a part of the way we crank it up. I spit it sonically through the rod of me with the pages of God. But I made my choices, I'm still hearing voices and tearing at corpses that correlate with the children of the corner. We mourning, no one think we important. See, we gotta trick them like we on the corner. Like my story Spike Lee, say that it's Warner. Rap like a dummy or you is a goner. It's gonna take longer to surpass Madonna's with songs that's not sponsored to tickle the monsters that monitor all us. Call us improper, don't think like them, then they call you a doctor. My screws is not loose, but yours missing some copper. I'm Frankenstein father, the popper, the starter, the posture. Everything you know and lost her. Never soccer, you can't kick it apart where we are. Because my lyrics so bomber. What you doing? Making plans, what they doing? Looking at you. Waiting for your failure, but you prevail as they stab you. These crabs in the barrel, also rats in the lab too. They hype your head and gas you. I peep that shit, but laugh fool. I'm off beat, but fashion and sound, so right now you can hear me perfectly synchronized on my crown. I'm a poet on some deep shit, rapping on some geek shit. My soul kinda tainted, man, I feel like I'm a Keishan. We spend all of our time, including weekends, watching them on TV, even though they people frequently deny us equally. But we can be alive if we see that we only need to try and that equally will only work after deviancy. Man, I spit like machinery. I got bars, but you got some penis. We are not the same, you ain't even in the league with me. That's your bitch, I wouldn't even let her breathe with me, let alone breathe with me or tease with me. I'm a jerk and she still wanna be with me, cause I'm a nice guy, Geminis can equally balance the malice and hope for the holy. Preach for the masses while aiming for rollies. I looked in your eyes and the lies that you told me, but people fuck with me, they see that I'm growing. You been here for 10 years and how is it showing? Nigga, how is it showing? And your bitch is pussy wet, so I am rowing. Rappers perpetually perpetrated for perks, but the problem that I'm having to perpetrating the works, man. I try to keep it 100, but honestly, I'm the first in the public. Don't care that they favorite rappers some dirt, man. He better stay on alert or she better get spit a verse, so I'm putting him in the shirt. Then I'ma wear this shirt like, that's your man? I killed him? Now I'm disrespecting you too. Then put this shit on YouTube. I'm just fucking with y'all. Hey, it's Gemini.